Hey guys, what's up? I'm here at the Mercier event. Super excited to be here. Where do I get it? Oh, okay. In here? Okay, cute. I'm going in. Hi. Oh my god, what? Oh my god, it's like a full thing. Ah. Wow, this is cute. Oh my god, I cannot wait. These photo ops though. This is Natalie. She's gonna be doing my makeup. I'm like, oh my god, indoor voice. It's like 11 a.m. Oh my god, cute. Hi, boo boo. Alright, so we took off my foundation. So I'm not wearing any foundation, right?
No, it's like a primer and radiance.
I'm just wearing the primer. Can I see the primer?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. The Radiance primer is what I'm wearing right now on my face. That's it. So cool. Yeah, I love it. Definitely need to get this primer and use it. Yay. My one nail like fell off, so I'm like trying to cover it. So I'm here at the Mercier event. I just finished my makeup. I'm obsessed with my glow. I'm gonna show you guys all the products that I used in the rest of the vlog because they're actually giving it to me, so I gotta take it home. I'm literally obsessed. But look at this event. Look how cute. This is the Step and Repeat. Super cute. People getting their makeup done. This is the Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. These are all the foundations. And then these are like photo op stations. Jordan, Jor Panda. I'm like, I always want to call you Jor Panda.
I have people in real life who call me Jor Panda.
Right, yeah. But I'm going full glam to yoga. Not on purpose, but I was at the Mercier event and I'm gonna go to an afternoon yoga class because I want to work out. This camera takes so long to focus. But anyways, yes, it's a rainy day, crazy rainy day actually. But I'm gonna go work out because I want to get that workout in every single day, and this week I'm going hard again. Last week I went hard, and I'm going to be going hard every week for the rest of the year. 2019, we're going to get this body right. Look at Henry.
Hey, what the hell is this? Come on, Arika.
Do you like them? They look
oh my
so
god,
good on
I
you.
love these. I love big glasses.
So cute.
Be like, oh, money.
Money. We're at lunch. We're at a sushi restaurant.
Best Asian life.
Yes, we are living the best.
Oh my god, I love these. These are so cute. So cute. I love it. I was literally just saying that I need big. I want to find. I feel like big glasses look like they either look really good or super tacky.
So that's why I created them for you. Yes, so cute. Love it. Yay! Glad you love them.
So come on in.
Are a bunch of puppies in right now?
Oh,
please.
Dream, right?
Go on in.
Go, Melissa.
Why am I going in first?
I don't know. You're like the least scared. You're so green.
Is this just like a hot box room? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. It's so green.
It's a green room. Wait, is this like real weed? No. Can you imagine? It's everywhere. Actually,
Can't see. Okay,
little
wait.
do you know,
Do
you're just gonna stand
something
here and
dope.
be high. Is it really? No. Wait, this is amazing. That's so sick. Sorry, I'm close. No, do you? Okay, yes.
Okay, so there's new stuff from Milk Makeup. I just put this on right now. This is the Cush Lip Glaze. Super moisturizing, hydrating, and it gives that like cool effect. And then this one is the Cush Lip Balm. These are both green, so they have Cush in it for reals. It's like a green tint. And then this one is brand new. It's the Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask. Definitely gonna try this tonight. I'm actually gonna get a facial tonight, so I'm gonna show you guys. And this one is the Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. And it's so cute. I love the matte like containers and packaging, because usually like the old ones are like clear. So I'm loving the matte look. Hey guys, what's up? I'm in the valet waiting. I actually never vlog and drive, by the way. Whenever I'm vlogging and like I'm in a vehicle, it's actually not my car. I'm in an Uber or like a black car or like a car service. I just arrived to Cassie's Wet n Wild collab event. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. It literally is a full Wet n Wild collab collection. Congratulations, Cassie and Wet n Wild. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this outfit though. Can I have it? So cute. We just did Pilates with Cassie. Look at the dogs. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try the new Wet n Wild Cassie collection. Oh my god, it was so hard. I took so many snaps. I was actually in the front row. I was like right up there. So I cannot wait to show you guys the little workout that we did. And I love Cassie. George, we love you. Thanks, Cassie, for the class. You're amazing. We just finished the class. It was so hard, but so good.
How did you feel?
Amazing. Well,
Yeah?
I was like shaking and like sweating. My face was like dripping. I was like, oh my god.
But you still look really good.
Oh
You
no!
look so hot.
It's because we're wearing
Hot
hot
flags.
flags.
No, all of you guys look so hot when you were working out. Yeah, because it was hot. It was really hot.
Yeah, it was really hot. It was so fun and so good. Oh my god, look how cute. Thank you, Cassie. So cute. Oh my god, I love them. Hi! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Just got here. Hey! Oopsie. Alright, let's go inside. All the foundation. Look how cool this place is. Look at this hourglass, like statue thing. Yeah, super cool. It's like a maze in there. It was a very long day. Taking out my extensions today. Oh my god, it looks so like baby now, like little. The hair that I took out, I think we just threw it away. You can reuse them, but since I'm actually switching the color, I'm gonna show you guys actually. Oh wait, do I have it? This is the hair that I had in my head. So I just took out all my extensions and I did a crystal treatment and my hair is actually so much lighter. The one that I did today, well Jacob did on me, is this Malibu Professional Crystal Gel. And it basically, what it says, it takes out or removes buildup and discoloration and preps hair for all chemical services. Like that's so cool. So I feel like my hair color dramatically changed. It literally got brighter and like just with the treatment. And I love how it looks. So cute. This is how much hair we are putting in. All of the hair is from the hair shop. This is my hair. This all goes in my head. bad. I know I'm extra, but we love it. And today we are doing a little bit of a golden tone rather than the platinum, because my hair does get like more golden after a few washes. So this is what I'm putting in. Love it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my extensions that I got. So these are a little bit darker than before. It probably blends a little bit better after my hair has been like washed a few times and it's not as like platinum. So before I used to wear like the platinum extensions and it really matched when I first got my fresh highlights. But I changed my extensions to this color and I used a different kind. It's also called Smart Tabs and I really like them. Ooh, my hair looks. I like these a lot. They're from the hair shop as well, and we use two different kinds, a rooted one and a non-rooted one. But I like how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like these extensions blend a lot better, but it's always about like trial and error and like learning what extensions look best. So I really like it. Yes! Good morning, guys. It's super dark out because it's literally 6 in the morning. I'm heading to Rumble. Literally, I look so crazy, but it's because it's 6 in the morning and I just woke up. I put a little bit of glam on and it's literally still so dark outside. But anyways, today's like my last, no, tomorrow's my last full day kind of. I'm leaving to New York for New York Fashion Week tomorrow night. So actually today is my first full, or my last full day in LA. I'm really loving this IMG reflective jacket. I'm really loving reflective stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go work out. Super excited to work out and be able to wake up because I have to train myself for the East Coast time. I'm working out at Rumble.